Castagna Milano has reimagined the iconic Fiat Topolino, turning it into a delightful beach car that captures the essence of vintage charm and modern flair. This transformation breathes new life into the Topolino, celebrating its heritage while infusing it with bespoke craftsmanship and a playful design that beckons adventures under the sun. Originally introduced in the 1930s, the Fiat Topolino holds a special place in automotive history as a symbol of Italian motoring ingenuity. Castagna Milano's reinterpretation pays homage to this legacy by preserving the Topolino's iconic silhouette while enhancing its appeal with contemporary aesthetics and functionality. The Fiat Topolino beach car by Castagna Milano boasts a refreshed exterior characterized by vibrant colors and custom accents that evoke a sense of whimsy and nostalgia. From its retro-inspired grille to the bespoke wheels and convertible roof, every detail reflects Castagna Milano's dedication to craftsmanship and design excellence. The interior of the Fiat Topolino beach car offers a cozy retreat with custom upholstery and modern amenities designed for comfort and convenience. Whether cruising along coastal roads or parked by the shore, occupants are treated to a unique blend of vintage ambience and contemporary comfort, creating a memorable driving experience that transcends generations. Under the hood, Castagna Milano has ensured that the Fiat Topolino beach car delivers reliable performance suited for leisurely drives. While staying true to its roots, the Topolino is equipped with a modern powertrain that balances efficiency with sufficient power to navigate varied terrain, making it an ideal companion for beach outings and scenic drives alike. Beyond its aesthetic and performance enhancements, the Fiat Topolino beach car by Castagna Milano embodies a lifestyle of leisure and exploration. With ample storage space for beach essentials and thoughtful design touches that enhance usability, this bespoke creation invites drivers to embrace the freedom of open-air motoring in style. Castagna Milano's transformation of the Fiat Topolino into a charming beach cruiser exemplifies their commitment to blending heritage with innovation. By preserving the Topolino's nostalgic appeal while introducing contemporary elements, Castagna Milano has created a vehicle that transcends mere transportation. It's a statement of personal style and a celebration of automotive artistry. As automotive enthusiasts and collectors appreciate the Fiat Topolino beach car's unique charm and craftsmanship, Castagna Milano continues to redefine classic cars' potential. With each bespoke creation, they honor the timeless allure of vintage automobiles while offering discerning drivers an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the modern era. Looking ahead, Castagna Milano remains dedicated to pushing the boundaries of automotive customization and craftsmanship. By combining passion with precision engineering, they strive to create bespoke vehicles that inspire and captivate, ensuring that each Fiat Topolino beach car reflects their commitment to excellence and innovation in automotive design.